Hey lads, it's Connor here and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be going over 5 low cap crypto gaming tokens because we are seeing capital start to rotate into the GameFi sector. If we look at the higher market cap gaming projects, such as Sandbox, you can see Sandbox on the daily time frame making new highs for the year, Axie Infinity making new highs for the year, Decentraland Mana also making new highs for the year, pumping. IMX, same story, about to break out new highs. And we also have GALA putting in a mega pump. So clearly GameFi is going to be one of the hottest sectors of this bull market. Bitcoin is at 71, 72K right now. And we will see capital start to rotate into these smaller gaming projects. So let's get into these 5 low cap gaming gems and let the gains be with you. The first gaming token on the list today is going to be GPT in the Dual token. Right now, Dual is trading for 1.6 cents with a $19.7 million market cap. Now, GPT did a huge rebrand over the past few months. They were formerly known as Rainmaker Games. Now, I've been tracking this project all the way from back in November of 2022. This is the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. We got into Rainmaker Games at around a $700,000 market cap. The date was November 22nd. So the Rainmaker Games token, the Rain token, did a rebrand, and we were able to convert our Rain tokens to the Dual token. I do want to show you the Rain chart. The Rain token is still trading, but I would not pay attention to it. Regardless, I just showed you how we got into it in the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group all the way here on November 22nd, 2023. And at the time, the price was around 0.0014 cents. And the Dual token price right now is 1.6 cents. So we're up over 10x right now, but the market cap is only $20 million. So I think that this one does have a lot more to go in the tank because it is an AI-driven game builder. They are incorporating 2 of the biggest sectors in the market, GameFi as well as artificial intelligence. 75,000 registered users, 5,000 active players, and anybody can go ahead and create games with their game engine. Right here on their website, they illustrate that. Create your game in 3, 2, 1. Using artificial intelligence, people can create games, and the team plans on releasing hundreds of games this year alone. So I'm really bullish on this project, being that it does incorporate both AI and gaming. And yes, I am invested in this project, as well as many people in the Crypto Empire community, because I've been on this back in November when most of you guys had no idea it even existed. This is the benefit of joining the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. You get in at the bottom, all right? We caught many good entries on gaming tokens, such as Echelon Prime at around $3, just below $3 we got into Prime. And if we look at the Prime chart right now, it's at $19. So another bottom entry, got in all the way down here for $3 in November as well. Domi, we got in Domi below 1 penny. So yeah, we have a pretty solid track record over here at Crypto Empire of sniping some good gaming projects at the exact bottom. And we were able to do that with GPT, but I think this one has so much to go in the tank at a $20 million market cap. Let's take a look at the chart. So looking at the Dual chart on the daily time frame, they did their rebrand over here on January 12th of 2024, essentially 3 months ago exactly. Now, you guys know, if you got the free ebook, the new Crypto Empire free ebook released in September of 2023, I gave you multiple bottom entries in that ebook for completely free. If you haven't read that book either, that goes over my entire bull market strategy. But my strategy is very simple. I look for the new projects with fresh charts that are in bullish sectors of the market and they're actually building with solid fundamentals. So GPT, fresh chart here, just launched January 12th, and it's forming a beautiful cup. Right, this is what I like to call an accumulation lake. Anybody who's familiar, watches the live streams, should be well familiar with the accumulation lake strategy. This is the lake. All right, chart bottomed out in accumulation. Now it's starting to break out. It is not yet in price discovery. Once it does break above 2.9 cents, it will be in price discovery. So what we should be looking out for entries is either a breakout above 2.1 cents or we get a pullback back into the accumulation lake below 1.38 cents. All right, and we look to take an entry inside of the lake and then ride it into new all-time highs. So this is coin number 1 for the video. I'm really bullish on this one. Small market cap. I can see it going up to a $500 million market cap on the conservative end, peak bull run. And that would be a 25x from current price and a 250x from the entry inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. So again, I don't know if you're waiting right now to get in the Discord. I don't know why you would be waiting, but it will not stay at $147 a month forever. Price will be going up. Too much value inside for it to be that cheap, essentially. Anyways, that's coin number one for the video. Let's move on to coin number two. Coin number two is going to be Epic Prime and the Epic token. Right now, Epic is trading for 1.8 cents with a $19.3 million market cap. Right in that sweet spot, just like Duel, below 20 mil. And Epic is extremely bullish because of who the team is and what they're doing with the project, as well as their partnerships. So very briefly, by the way, nothing in this video is financial advice. Everything's for educational purposes only. Do your own research. Anyways, Epic has been a pioneer in the NFT space since 2018. They work with top brands, game companies, record labels, and various global leaders of industry to strategize, launch, and support their NFT digital collectible initiatives. What makes Epic different is that Epic is both an NFT technical platform and the world's leading digital agency, already producing unique in-game drops worth millions of dollars. Epic has expertise in NFTs and can leverage its extensive client network to produce fresh and unique NFTs, interweaving both real life and digital experiences within video games and applications. Here's their team over here. Like I said, do your own research into who they are. Some of their advisors, Nintendo, Tetris, Pokemon. Big project here, huge partnerships. And I am talking about this project in this video because I like how low the market cap is at 20 mil. And I also like this price chart. So if we look at this price chart here in the weekly time frame, this one does go all the way back to the top of the last cycle. If we take a look back in time over here, it launched on November 29th, 2021. That was the top. That's when Bitcoin topped out, all right? So it has not yet experienced a bull market. Yes, it experienced the entire bear market and it bled out down to fractions of a penny, but it has woken up. And it's very obvious what is happening here on the weekly price chart. Let's go back to the daily though so I can better illustrate my point. So on the daily price chart, the entire market woke up back in October of 2023. October 20th was the exact date actually where the entire market woke up. Go look at any chart on October 20th and that was the start of the rally. So Epic rallied 757% from October 20th until November 25th. For 1 month, 35 days, it went 8.5x. And it has then since pulled back from that high price. It pulled back 64% in 78 days. So almost a 3-month cool off period. Well, the market is cyclical. After a 3-month cool off period, we are expected to have another uptrend, especially given the fact if you look at the higher market cap gaming charts like GALA, they're all ripping up. So from the bottom, this is already up 64%. However, 20 mil market cap, below 2 cents right here. I think that this one can get to $2, $1.50 to $2, which it does have 100x potential in it. And the beautiful thing about this is on the pullback, it went right to the daily 200 EMA, consolidated below it. This was accumulation, broke out above, back tested it over here at 1.3 cents. Now it's starting to pump again and it's forming a beautiful ascending triangle. So what we want to look out for here is a break above 2 cents. All right. And if we do get another pullback to this trend line at around 1.6, 1.5 cents, that would be a great place for an entry. But I'm really bullish on Epic. I expect huge things for it this cycle. And I encourage you to look into it on your own so that you can see what I see with this project and not just follow me blindly, which I don't recommend you do. So that's coin number 2 for the video. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number 3. Coin number 3 is going to be QORPO World. Brand new token here, trading at 86 cents. Now the market cap of QORPO right now is $21 million. So another one right in that sweet spot, right at around 20 mil, very low market cap. It can go on a big run. Now what this project is, it's a gaming studio similar to something like Nakamoto Games. And they have a few games out right now. Citizens Conflict is their newest one. It's an action battle royale game. And they also have an NFT collection called the Citizen Zero Collection. And I do believe if you hold these NFTs and you stake them, you do get the QORP token airdrop to you. Shout out to Wabo Crypto. He's the reason I know about this project in the first place. And this guy is one of the most knowledgeable people when it comes to crypto gaming that I've ever seen. So I am in Wabo's Discord. I'm not sure if it's even open, but nonetheless, he let us all know about the Citizens Conflict mint back in February 5th when the mint happened. So shout out to Wabo for letting us know about this project super early, but it's still very early right now at a 21 mil market cap. New gaming studio, building games. It has a lot going for it, and GameFi is set to see a very large capital inflow. So if we look at this chart here for QORPO, the token's brand new. The token went live over here on February 29th. After the token went live, you had the usual listing pump, and then price sold off over here into accumulation at around 30 cents. From here, started to pump, bull flagged, next leg up higher, and it is about to break into new all-time highs right now at 86 cents. So if you are interested in this one, ideally you can get a pullback around the 75-cent level, but that's not a given. All right, but if you do see 75 cents, I would say that would be a pretty good entry. Or if it does sell kind of back off into this previous range in around the 60-50 cents, that would be really good. But as of right now, it does look ready to break out into new all-time highs. In terms of how high I think that this one could go, I think a 500 mil to a 1 bill valuation market cap is possible in the peak bull run, which would be a 25 to a 50x from the current price. Not financial advice, obviously, but QORPO, New Gaming Studio. Check it out, do your own research. And it looks like it does have some potential going forward. So that's coin number 3 for the video. Let's move on to coin number 4. Coin number 4 is going to be Fusionist and the ACE token. So right now, ACE is trading for $13.77. And the market cap's a bit higher on this. The market cap is actually 296 mil, so 300 mil. A bit of a more established project. I have talked about this one on YouTube in the past. They were doing their beta testing all year in 2023 last year. So I did cover it a few times last year because I did expect it to be a big hit. And long story short, if you don't know what Fusionist ACE is, as well as the Endurance Network, it is a gaming layer on the blockchain. So Fusionist mainnet is known as Endurance, and it's a social and game-oriented infrastructure layer. It was previously known as Alpha Prestige. They started with Alpha Prestige as a centralized user engagement reward system, and that got them over 130,000 high-quality Web3 users. So now they are taking a step further to decentralize the game and layer by building their own sidechain called Endurance. So Endurance will be capable of storing all users' behaviors and achievements on-chain through their boat bound on-chain achievement token setup. By converting the centralized AP points to ACE tokens, Endurance will increase user bonding, transparency, privacy, and security for the entire system. So, like I said, I covered this last year in 2023 because for all year long, they were doing their beta testing, and people who play the game were accruing these AP points, and then they got massive ACE tokens distributed to them for just playing the game in the beta testing period. So this project really cares about the community, right? They rewarded the community for supporting them during the bear market playing the game, and it has some huge backers as well. Really bullish on Fusionist ACE. I think it's going to do great this cycle and go to a multi-billion-dollar valuation. And another reason I like it is, once again, it has that brand new chart structure. If we look at the chart here on the daily time frame, it launched over here on December 18th. Usual listing pump, usual listing sell-off, goes into an accumulation lake, as you can see down here below $10. This was your accumulation, has broken out. Now it's in a very obvious uptrending channel here. Go ahead and put it on the chart for everybody. Right, you're in a nice uptrending channel here. So what we want to see is essentially, if you're looking for an entry, you want to see a move back down towards the lower end of the channel, around $12, $11. But again, given how bullish GameFi is right now and how the high market cap coins like GALA and Sand and Mana, they're all starting to see some pumps, that money will trickle down into the low caps, all right? So the best situation is always to scale in to a project you're bullish on and scale out. Anyways, right here at $13.43, I think is going to be a blip in the future, because I do expect this to eventually make new all-time highs. Right? How high this one can go, I can see being that something like Axie Infinity went to 10 bill last cycle. I can see ACE, Fusionist ACE, going above 10 bill this cycle. Given how bullish it is, everything they're building, all the games they're building, check it out, do your own research. But Fusionist ACE, that's coin number 4 for the video. Let's move on to coin number 5 for the video, and that is going to be Abyss World AWT. Low market cap project here. Right now, the market cap of AWT is only $6.2 million, trading for 0.004 cents. Now, what Abyss World is, it's an individual game, right? And it is a action role-playing game where you explore this Nordian world and you uncover the secrets behind it. The gameplay looks really clean. You can go ahead and watch their YouTube channel or watch the videos on their website. Here we see one. But it's really good graphics, clean gameplay. It does look like Elder Scrolls Online. I don't know if we have any gamers watching the channel who used to play Elder Scrolls or maybe still play it, but it does give me that vibe. Action role-playing game, 6 mil market cap. And it is a new token that launched last year in 2023. Big shout out to Black Sun, who is a viewer of the channel here, and he has been asking me about this project in live streams over the past few weeks. Now, what I really like about this project, like I said, it went live in June of 2023, so it's around 9 months old right now, started trading in the bear market. Now, on the daily time frame, what we have here is very, very obvious accumulation going on. We have the 200 daily EMA closing in on the upside as resistance. We have the 100 simple moving average on the daily time frame providing support. And just these EMAs are forming their own symmetrical pennant here. All right, and we also have this ascending triangle structure. So given that these accumulation candles are very obvious, and one thing I also notice about this project is if you look at the volume, 24-hour volume is up 163% in the past 24 hours. And most of this volume is coming from Gate.io and MEXC. I do believe it did just get listed on Gate.io, so that may be the reason for the huge volume influx. Nonetheless, going back to the price chart, looking at this price chart, anything in this orange box at around 0.004 cents, it's all accumulation. All right, I do expect it to kind of go vertical from this box. It could for sure break down and come back here lower, but the way that the market's moving, Bitcoin making new all-time highs, GameFi getting attention, these dead giveaway daily accumulation candles, price really, really coiling up. This one looks ready for a huge breakout to the upside. And at a 6 mil market cap, you're almost looking at a 20x to a 100 mil market cap. So high risk, high reward, low cap gem here. Do your own research, not financial advice at all. But I like the way the chart looks. The project does look bullish, good graphics, looks like fun gameplay. It could be a big one. So do your own research into Abyss World as well as all of these projects. But I hope you enjoyed this video. So in this video, we covered 5 crypto gaming gems. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And also drop a comment if you want me to cover any gaming projects in the future, or if you hold any of the tokens that I mentioned in this video. I would love to hear from you guys, so drop a comment down below. Also, check out the Crypto Empire Premium Discord. It won't stay that low forever. Price will be going up soon, so get in while you still can. Anyways, my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. I'll see you in the next video.